So in today's video, we are going to showcase an open kitchen, one bedroom. Hello everybody, welcome back to Eve's Stories. Thank you for joining us today. So today I'm going to showcase a one bedroom house in Dandora. Make sure to hit the subscription button as you watch the video. We are headed to 1,000 subscribers. Currently we are at 755 and I'm hoping to get at 1,000 subscribers very soon. So as you watch the video, don't forget to hit the subscription button. Let's get to the video.
From the dust I was born, to the dirt I shall return. When my eyes are closed, in the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome, no, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix.
So this is a video of a one bedroom apartment found in Dandora.
Here to stay. Destiny will overcome, no, I am not.
It has an open kitchen, so this is the view of how it looks like.
I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome, no, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise from the dark.
So it's at the rooftop, that's why you can see the ceiling board.
From the dust I was born, to the dirt I shall return. When my eyes are closed, in
the reason the tap is not there is because the building has not yet been completed, but by July the building will be complete.
In the shadows,
so this is your kitchen cabinets.
My enemies will think they won, but
so the wall of this one bedroom is pink, has been painted pink.
I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome, no, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise from the darkness.
And next, let's look at your washroom. So the sink is outside.
Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise from the darkness to the light. I feel alive. I'm a fire.
So this is the washroom.
All the pain, all the hurt, all the lessons I have learned, I am stronger now. I won't let me down. Oh, my enemies will think.
And next we are going to look at the bedroom.
They won, but I'm here to stay.
So the bedroom does not have
Destiny will.
So the bedroom does not have a wardrobe, but it's spacious enough. The location of this one bedroom is in Dandora,
No, I am not
just next to Total petrol station.
afraid. Like
So you can see the whole view of the one bedroom. It can fit a 6x6, and that's how the ceiling looks like. It's at the rooftop, so you have that ceiling. Your washroom. Now that's the whole view of it. Kitchen area. The door to the balcony. and your living room area. And as you watch the video, make sure to hit the subscription button so that I can know if I can continue putting same content for you guys. So that's the whole of it. That's the whole view of the house. And let's just look at the balcony. You have your own balcony, and I love the way it's so long. So you can just put plants here. Or decorate it in your own way. So you can see how long it is. All this is just a balcony for one person. So the whole building is vacant. And since this is on the rooftop, let's just have a view of how the rooftop looks like. So there will be CCTV cameras, and there will be water. You see the tanks are here, so everyone will be charged water per unit. There is a meter box for each and every house.
From the dust I was born, to the dirt I shall return.
And just look at how the view of the balcony of the rooftop looks like.
My eyes are closed in the shadows, in the shadows.
Yes, so the house is in Dandora. The apartment is in Dandora. It's a newly built apartment.
In the shadows.
So as you go down the stairs, you can notice the house has enough security, so you don't have to worry about the location of the house, which is in Dandora.
My enemies will think that.
If you look at this space over here, each and every floor has a gate that is separating the staircase from the houses.
Closed in the shadows. My enemy.
And also there will be CCTV cameras, so you don't need to worry about the security of your house.
In the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome. No, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul rise.
So this is how the apartment looks on the outside, and I'm going to showcase more of the houses that I haven't showcased in my other video. So make sure to also watch that video.
The dust I was born, to the dirt I shall return. When my eyes are closed in the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay.
That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and hit the subscription button. Bye bye. See you in the next video.
Destiny